In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE. So here on the front, you can see that I got the silver case, which comes with a blue band. On the side of the box, it says Samsung Galaxy Watch FE. On this side, it shows that I got the 40mm version, which is actually the only version that they sell of the new FE version. And on the back here, just in case you want to pause and read all of this, you can. So I'll go ahead and take off these tabs. And we will remove the top portion here. And so there's the first look at the Galaxy Watch FE. On this side we have something we can pull out. And I will take out the watch. So there's a first look there. The blue band actually has some blue colored metal here for the keeper. That's possibly new. There's also these little blue and orange, I don't know, some sort of a nylon on the band there. And because it's the 40mm size, you get the small medium band, which is equivalent to 20mm of traditional watch bands, I assume. We got the two buttons on the side. And let's see what else comes inside here. Looks like we have the quick start guide. That's it on that side. And over here should be the charger. Alright, so we get a USB Type A, so that's definitely one thing to note. No USB-C here, it's the old-fashioned Type A. And then the little magnetic charging puck here. And let's just see, I connect it to the back. And if you don't do anything, it holds on okay, but as soon as you give it a little force, it could come off, so just be wary of that. So yeah, that's all that comes inside of the box. You get the watch itself, the band, and a charging cable, as well as some quick start guide and terms and conditions. So I'll be setting this watch up, so if you want to see me do that, I'll link that video in the description below. Alright, so I've just set up my watch and connected it to my phone. And the display is on, and now I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like on my wrist. So let me go ahead and put it on here. And it looks like the band does fit me. And this is what the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE 40mm silver case with the blue band looks like on my wrist. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below and consider subscribing if you want to see more Samsung Galaxy Watch FE videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.